recommend doing is the moment you look at your question paper, the moment you receive your question paper and it's time to start it, and it is you are on section 1, so the first and the foremost thing that you should be doing is you read the title. So when you read the title, you get a fair idea as to what the passage is going to be about, and this is what we call skimming. Skimming means reading the passage for the general idea of the whole passage. Now, I understand that there are a lot of people who are not very good with reading skills. They're not, avid readers. So, for people like them, you should only read the title. Try to get the idea by reading some of the subtitles and some headings given in the passage also. So we go by the title, arriving in Singapore by plane, and then we have the subtitle at times, but sometimes we don't have the subtitle and we have these subheadings, and it says baggage claim, customs clearance, hotel reservations. So we have a little bit of an idea as to what the text is going to be about. Now we go and read the questions and we see what kind of questions do we have. So we see that there are matching questions. Match each statement with the correct place. So where do you do all these things listed 1 to 5? So we have 5 marks at stake for this particular passage. Now, according to the marks, how much time do you think you should devote to this particular passage?
So total 40 minutes means
Yeah.
it's like 50, 40 minutes. No, 1 hour, right? Total 1 hour.
Yeah, you get 1 hour, but since you know that the questions get difficult as you
Yeah,
move
so
on,
third
they are
section,
progressively
yeah,
difficult.
exactly. Third section will have more difficult
Yeah.
or bigger passages. So I think we should break it as the third section. It will be around
Hmm.
25 minutes up to 30, 25 minutes, and first two sections will be around uh, 17 minutes.
Correct. Correct. Absolutely. So, since this is 5 questions, these are 5 questions, you should spend only 6 to 7 minutes on this, not more than that. Right?
Right.
Now, mostly when you are beginning your answer, now this is a matching question. Other than matching questions, mostly the questions are chronological. They are found in the chronological order, as in the order of appearance of the questions. But since this is a matching question, it will not be like that. It will always be jumbled. But we can always refer to these places. So you read the things in the box and you read them, and these are the places that you will have to scan for in your text. So you will be doing scanning, so looking for specific information in your text. You can go through all the list of places, all these places. It says information desk, hotel reservation counter, lost and found counter, red channel, green channel, level 2 reception desk, baggage claim, belt.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
Now you have to go through these options as well, one by one. Can you tell me
Yeah.
what will be the keyword for the first one?
Suitcase has split
Okay.
after flight, after your flight.
After your flight and suitcase has split. Very good.
Yeah. So you want to reserve a room at
Okay.
a transit hotel. Reserve and hotel, transit hotel. Yeah, transit.
Correct.
Transit.
Correct.
You are not sure if you have bought too much in duty free shops. Okay, in the duty free and too much.
Mm-hmm.
Bought too much. Yeah.
And not sure.
Okay, you're not sure. You're not sure whether to collect your baggage after your flight. Okay, not sure collect
Hmm.
luggage and flight after flight.
Correct.
Where? Yeah, where to? Right. So you need someone to help you with your suitcase. Okay, and someone and help and suitcase.
Correct. Correct.
Suitcases.
Now let's go to the text and start finding these words in the passage.
Custom clearance is related to duty free. That's fine. So package claim. Package claim, food trolleys are available in our package claim.
Bound.
Lost and found counter for advice if you cannot find your baggage or would like to report damaged baggage. Right?
Correct.
So
Correct.
then C. One is C.
Correct. So you can, if it is damaged baggage or it has split, you'll find it in the lost and found. So that will be C. Correct.
Okay. So then scroll down. Five will be baggage claim. So
So when you need porters, porter is
yes,
another word for it. You need a friendly
yeah,
porters.
friendly focus, right?
Yes, and
So
you
baggage claim
require
bill.
their assistance
Yeah,
for
information
carrying.
desk. Information desk is actually
Absolutely.
for if
Yes.
you are not sure someone to help with your suitcase. Yeah, five should be information count. Information
Correct.
count A.
Correct.
Not sure. After not sure how to buy baggage claim basically.
Hmm.
Belt. Baggage claim. Is there anything related to that? Scroll down. Yeah, H should be four. Four.
Okay. You're not sure. You're not sure. It's not saying you're sure. Where to collect your luggage after your flight?
Yeah, so they are saying you are not sure. Okay. You
The
cannot find.
baggage
Okay, so I
claim,
think.
only free trolleys are available at baggage claim belts, right? But when you're not sure where to collect, where would you go?
It's again this lost and found counter.
Lost and found. If you cannot find your baggage.
How to collect? Okay. No, so basically we need to watch the television screens on level two for the collection of your baggage claim. Hard to find, right?
Hmm.
So it should be level two. Anything is there related to level two?
You can refer to flight information television screens on level 2 for allocation of your baggage claim belt. Allocation of your baggage claim belt.
So you're not sure how to collect your luggage after your flight.
Yeah, it should be
Yeah, so
level 2. Yes, not
yes, level
H.
two. F, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So F is level.
Yes.
Okay, so then there are only two left. One is
Yeah, you have to go
transit
to
hotel, another is
hotel and
duty
duty
free
free
shopping.
shopping.
Yeah, so duty free shopping is related to custom clearance and hotel reservation.
So
Okay,
duty
this
free.
is the green channel for your baggage claim if you have items to clear and are in doubt. Okay, so red and green. Okay, scroll down please. So I'm not sure if you have or too much. Okay, it should be red channel D.
Hmm. Correct.
C D. And scroll up please. Okay, no, one second. You want to reserve a room at a transit hotel. Okay, and scroll up.
So you
Where is
go
it?
to hotel reservation.
And make
Transit
give the
hotels.
notification counter with €10 per reservation. No, 10 Sing dollar. Okay. Despite deductible from your hotel bills at the end of your stay. Mm, okay, these counters do not handle the transit hotels for these go to the reception desk on level 3. Yeah, so reception
Correct.
desk. Yeah.
Correct. Good. So that will be G. G. Okay, perfect. Very good.